Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix this GTA 5 sound problem. For the first time what you can do is check the sound mixer. To do that you need to open GTA 5, but you have to keep it in this here, you see. So then you can go to this sound options, right click it, open volume mixer. Okay, so in there you see this app section here. Oh, sorry, app section here. In there you find this Grand Theft Auto 5. In there you see if this is mute, you can just unmute it. So that's the problem all along. You just mute that. Okay, you mute it. Uh, so yeah, unmute it. Then go back to your game, and probably the problem will be fixed. So the other option, how you're gonna fix this GTA 5 sound problem is to download a director's file and install it. To download, you need to go to this site, go to this link, which is you need to download this director's file. So you will find this link in the video description. So go to this link and download this director's file. So once you download it, it's gonna look like this, a director's file. But if you don't have WinRAR file, it's probably gonna look like a Windows Explorer zip file. So if it does, go inside, copy it and paste it outside of the zip folder. But if it look like this, a WinRAR file, so go inside and drag it, this file, which is you're gonna extract this file and go inside this folder and go find this DX setup. Here it is, the application DX setup. Okay, open it and next and next and next. I'm not going to install this directors file because I already installed. So you go to go click next and next, and you will install this directors file. Once it's finished, you go back to your game, go back to the game and try whether the sound problem is fixed or not. If it is not, try to restart your device and try again. So that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna fix GTA 5 sound problem. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon for further update. And if you think this video will be helpful to one of your friends, so please do share. And I hope you enjoy this, and I thank you for watching.